Ah, spring is in the air. It is so nice out, despite all the snow you see. It is about 30 degrees out, no wind for once, and the sun is shining bright. It's actually warm enough for this ice to melt. We are going to get some snow blowing done. I did the minimum here just a few days ago when we had that high wind, just so I could get by with the van. But I'm gonna do some more now that I'm not freezing my face off. And we're gonna get Russell on the snowmobile. So let's have fun. Safety first. Get the helmet on here.
Yep. Hey, Dad.
How's that?
Which way do you turn the key?
Can you see?
Yeah.
Good job. Boy, electric start sure is nice, especially on these kid sleds.
No, you do.
You do?
Yeah.
You want to ride on the tractor when we go blow snow?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go blow some snow.
Yeah. There.
What is that? So any of you guys who think you've got a lot to snow blow before you get to work, just take a look at this. That is a lot to snow blow. Now thankfully, the city helps us by blowing this out. This is kind of, I guess, a main street now that we've put houses back here, but we used to blow this all ourselves. All growing up, we had to blow a 3/4 of a mile long driveway, which wrapped around these trees. So very thankful for that, but we still got a lot to blow just in our driveways, and sometimes it takes a couple hours. Hi, buddy. All right, let's get after it. That's the problem with this ice underneath the snow. You just spin. So you gotta just take little cuts. Are you tired?
No.
No? We got someone who's ready for a nap. Riding on the tractor gets them every time, right, farmers? It's great having these little ones with us. Best times. Thanks for riding with me. Hey guys, thanks for riding with us. And remember, we're here to help farmers keep on farming. Sometimes blowing snow out of your driveway is a part of that, part of feeding the world. Helping you guys feed the world. Support your local farmers. God bless. Remember, Jesus loves you. Take care. We'll see you next time. Another thing we got to do is go to Ready and verify some invoices and get prepared for the rebuilds coming up this week. A lot to do today, but we're gonna have some fun doing it. Bye.
Bye.
All right, now we got some room to roam on this road. Looks like he's loaded with Ready number 1. How's it going?
Good. How you doing?
Good.
It's gonna get dark here real quick.
Yeah. You like to work? You like to work in the dark? So Chuck here has been super busy. Lots of jobs and tons of hours. Him and the guys, the rebuild guys, there's Garrett, there's Brett, who just came back from having a baby, so we're glad to have him back, and then Jordan, and then a couple others have filled in here and there, but they've been putting insane hours in. So they were out until Friday, or actually Saturday morning at 2 a.m. I think they got back, so a lot of hours thanks to them, but they got another job to do. We can't stop because spring seeding is right around the corner, and we're all outside jobs now. It's the middle of March, and we can only do one big rebuild a week. And so we are booked out through, actually we're putting jobs into June and July already, but there's a lot of guys we've committed to that just have to get done before they seed April 1st. Some of them are April 15th, some of them are May 1st, and we got to get them done. So that's part of this. I'm gonna help them load. Got her all in there, huh? Good. Well, I'd say this load looks pretty good. Better than some of them I've seen. Yeah, that should ride good. Chuck and I get to do our favorite thing, deal with paperwork. Would you be rather working on a drill or doing paperwork?
Drill.